So this before any YouTube ad, YouTube video, you have an ad, right? So I'll also be giving an ad. I'm a teacher. I give tuitions. Anybody who wants tuitions, please contact me. Thank you. All classes, all subjects, all boards. Okay, ad खत्म हो गया. Now disclaimer. This is stand-up comedy. इसमें jokes रहेंगे. And please don't play any dangerous sports like taking offense. Okay. So we are all Bangaloreans, right? We have to travel to our work. No, we don't commute to our work. We have to travel to our work.
We have to travel to Bangalore to work.
Yes. And we are outside Bangalore. We have to travel to Bangalore to work. Look at that. And with the traffic, it becomes even longer. A commute of 10 kilometers takes at least 20 minutes. A minimum of 20 minutes. Right? And you know, if you have to stay in the traffic for so long, people are very impatient. They get very impatient and they start fighting, road rage and all of these things happen, right? Right? No? I have a lot of patience. I don't. You know what I do? I observe. And after observation, I have categorized types of people based on the type of vehicle that they ride. So let us start with two-wheelers. जिसको नहीं पता है, टू व्हीलर्स में टू टाइप्स होते हैं, विथ गियर, विदाउट गियर. लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ विदाउट गियर. विदाउट गियर चलाने वालों में 3 टाइप्स रहते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइप आर द इंटेलिजेंट वंस. These are the ones who know that changing a gear in the city traffic is a headache and पता नहीं कब कौन कहाँ से घुस जाएगा, right? So again gear becomes a difficulty there. So let us buy a scooter. Intelligent?
DG.
Now these people, they are not a trouble. But then comes the second category. The type of people who don't know how to drive. Don't assume gender. Don't assume gender. They don't know how to drive. Okay? They are not hardwired for that. Okay? So I would like to narrate an incident here. Once I was going near that Belandur junction. Okay? Not on the flyover, next to the flyover on the service road. I was going right and the gender that you all assumed a scooty pep was at 10 o'clock. Going. Okay, while going, a left indicator turned on. Okay, my mind. What's going on? Okay, left indicator, she's going to take the next left turn. Okay, I have to go straight, no problem. And then, toy. Thankfully, my brakes work fine. I applied brake, I stopped. I didn't say anything. She said, "दिखता नहीं है क्या?" Now we don't strike, but if they strike, we won't keep quiet.
नहीं.
I said, दिखता है इसलिए ब्रेक लगाया हूँ. आप क्या किए? आप लेफ्ट इंडिकेटर लगा के राइट घूम गए. She said, "Exactly. I put on left indicator to indicate to you that you go from the left side." Normally I am not out of words. That day I was. And then there was a female traffic police there. She noticed this happening. She came. I said, "Ma'am, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ," and I went off. Because I cannot deal with illogic. Next, third category. Now this category is a creature, a प्राणी. इसका description सुनिए. Usually thin, skinny, tattered jeans, इतनी फटी पुरानी रहती है कि you can't even count the number of छेद in that. That kind of jeans. A faded old shirt with at least 3 buttons open. No helmet, so you can see the geography of the head. The southern hemisphere is completely deforested. Northern hemisphere looks like those bushes. Now this is the description of that creature. We have a word that starts with chi and rhymes with rabri.
Chirabdi. Chapri.
Is that a word? Yeah, yes, correct. So now this creature is on road for nostalgia of solving puzzles. Gap कहाँ है? वहाँ से मुझे घुसना है. And to solve these puzzles, you have to have an upwards view, right? That's why half standing on the footboard of the scooter. And usually it is an Activa less than 4G, not 5G. Old Activa. Now let us come to two-wheelers with gear. Two-wheelers with gear also types are there. First type, the family type, Splendor, Shine, these ones. No problem with them. Safe drivers. Second type, in this there are two categories again. Race bikes and the bullets, bada wala. Now the race bike riders, they are on roads to make the traffic listen to the sound of their bike. Bullet wale, they are also there to make the public listen to the sound of their bike, but a different sound. They modify the silencers to make it more annoying. As if that's not enough, we have RX 100s.
Oi.
इन जिन लोगों को घर पर अटेंशन नहीं मिला रहता है, कम से कम सड़क पे मिल जाएगा, RX 100 चलाएंगे. दिस इज इट. हो गया 2 पहिया, हो गया 3 पहिया, 2 के बाद 3 नो मैथ्स, राइट?
Yes.
So 3 wheelers. What are the 3 wheelers?
Only one.
ऑटोस, राइट? ये ऑटो वाले पता नहीं सड़क पे क्यों आए रहते हैं, क्योंकि कहीं भी जाना है नहीं जाएंगे, हो गला. Then why are you here on the road? I'll tell you why. Usually in traffic, the left side is somewhat empty and two-wheelers use that space to go through. Three-wheelers, autos exist to cover that gap, plug that gap.
Close it.
So two-wheelers are going, अच्छा ये लोग जा रहे हैं, इनको नहीं जाने देना. Sit there. If that auto moves 100, 200, two-wheelers will clear off. But auto doesn't move. That's why they are there. And that is why me and my friends, we don't call them autos, we call them plugs. Because they plug the traffic. And then you have four-wheelers. Four-wheelers में सबसे छोटे जो आते हैं, इंडिका, इंडिगो, नैनो. नैनो कार है? नहीं, नैनो ऐसे है, मतलब जैसे पेरेंट्स के प्रेशर के कार बन गया. एंड दीज कार्स, दे आर ऑन द रोड्स टू कम्पीट विद द थ्री व्हीलर्स. अरे जिस गैप में ऑटो घुस सकता है, मेरा गाड़ी भी घुस सकता है. डोंट यू बिलीव? लेट मी शो यू. नेक्स्ट यू हैव hatchbacks. Again, no problem, family cars, right? But you have those SUV driving people जो सड़क पे जाने के बाद एक लाइन पकड़ते हैं और वो लाइन से ना इधर जाते हैं ना उधर जाते हैं. रोड मेरा बाप का है. There is that line on the road, it should bisect my car into 2 pieces. Not moving from here. Lorry is there? No, they won't move. They will wait for the lorry to go forward, but they'll stay on that line. They won't move. And now we have the legends of Bangalore roads. BMTC buses.
Oh my God.
These people drive like अगर road तेरा बाप का है, मैं तेरा बाप हूँ. Don't believe it? See what happened 2 days ago in Hippat. That was my time.
Thank you. Thank you.